عن أبي عبد الرحمن عبد الله بن عمر بن الخطاب رضي الله تعالى عنهما. We are saying رضي الله تعالى عنهما. Why? Because he has mentioned Abi Abdurrahman, Abdullah, that's one person, and then Umar ibn Khattab, son of Umar ibn Khattab. So they are two individuals, these are both Sahabi, right? So radiyallahu anhuma. قال سمعت رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم يقول, I heard Rasulullah صلى الله عليه وسلم saying, بني الإسلام على خمس. Who has heard this hadith? Right. بني الإسلام على خمس. Bunya coming from the same root as Bana Yabnu Bunyan, right? The building. Okay. So Bunya, established, founded, it has been built upon. So Islam, Bunya al-Islamu ala khams. Islam has been founded upon 5 what? Are we going to say? Because that's what we learn, right? Five pillars. But does it say 5 pillars? The wordings of the hadith does not say 5 pillars, right? Look at the top. The heading that he has given is Arkanul Islam. Arkanul Islam means Rukun means pillar. It's what is the pillar? What's the Arabic word for pillar? Huh? Let somebody from online also mention if somebody knows. As-salatu imaduddin. Right? So the pillar, the word for the pillar is something else. Arkan is Rukun, means an integral part. Right? Which is why even for your salah you have arkan that you need to complete. Without those arkan there is no salah. You remove one Rukun, khalas, the salah is gone. It's exercise now. Right? Similarly, these are arkan of Islam, meaning these are integral part of Islam. Yes, we understand them as pillar because a pillar is an integral part for a roof. Right? Otherwise, if you are good in your engineering or architectural, then you can make a house without any pillars. You'll have to make what? Walls. Right? So, then can we say that these are then the walls of Islam? If you want, we are not talking about, when we talk about Bunyan, and in the context of what Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam is saying, he wants to speak to the people in their own times, in their way. And generally, when Bunya was used, its root aspect of usage is for tent. For a tent. Now, think about a tent. What does a tent stand on? Pegs. That's the pillar. That's the only thing in there, the pole. Right? So when you say Bunya al-Islam and you think about the tent, now you know it's such an integral part. If you remove this, the whole tent is going to fall. Now we know that a smaller tent may only have one. But Islam has 5 such pillars.